Hello and welcome back to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to light up a light bulb with using an LED. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need: a light bulb, a 3-volt button cell battery holder, a 3-volt button cell battery, a slide switch, and an LED, and some wires. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project and let's get started. First, I'm going to start with a light bulb. And as you can see, the filament inside, I want to try to preserve that and keep it in place. So what I need to do is carefully open up the bottom and remove the inner tube glass and not damage the outer tube glass, which is connected to the filament. Carefully open it up and remove that first layer of glass. And as you can see, there's that glass tube I was talking about. What I need to do is carefully break it and remove it, and then put the LED in place. And there we go, broken up. There's still a little bit inside, so what I need to do is chip it away. But don't go too deep. And there, that part is now emptied out, and the filament is still remaining. And as you can see, when I take the LED, it fits inside perfectly. Next, I have the 3-volt button cell battery holder. This side's positive, this side's negative, and I'm going to take the slide switch and then take the center pin of the slide switch and place it over the positive. And then solder it into place. And now solder tin one of the leads of the slide switch. And then solder tin the negative terminal. And there, it should look just like this. As personal preference, I think the side pieces that's on the slide switch doesn't look very nice, so I'm going to remove it. Next, I'm going to solder tin the LED. Next, I'm going to take these two wires. The black wire will connect to the cathode. Solder it into place. And then take the white wire and solder it to the anode. Place the shrink tubing to insulate everything. Shrink the tubes. Test it out, and as you can see, it still works. Next, put some hot glue inside the light bulb. And now take the LED and put it into the glue. Push it in all the way. Test it out, and as you can see, it works. And it also looks very nice. Now bend the wires and push them inside the light bulb, and leaving a little bit of wire sticking out. And now solder the black wire, which is the cathode, over to the negative terminal, and the white wire, which is the anode, over to the slide switch. And there, the circuit is now complete. Next, take a generous amount of hot glue to glue the light bulb into place and to insulate the exposed leads, because the light bulb is made of metal and will cause it to short circuit. So I need to make sure everything is insulated properly. Next, take the 3-volt button cell battery, place it into the holder, turn it on, and as you can see, it doesn't work. That's because I'm short circuiting it. Adjust the light bulb a little bit, turn it on, and there, it works. So what I need to do is add more hot glue to keep proper insulation and to glue it into place better. And there, the project is now complete. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. And as you can see, it looks very nice, and it's also very bright. Now let's see how this looks in the dark. And as you can see, this looks very nice in the dark. It almost looks like a regular light bulb that is wireless. Very nice. And in complete darkness, it works like a very nice ambient light or a flashlight. And there you have it. Now you know how to light up a light bulb with using a very simple LED circuit. Thank you for watching SciTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.